Hello all, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and today we are going to continue our series of the mini dustpan. For those of you who have left comments, you were looking to find out where I purchased this. I got it on Amazon. Right below in the description box I have my Amazon link. You can click on that and then go right to Fluid Art Tools in my store and you will find this mini dustpan. I think the display picture shows it as red, but there are various colors, so just click on it and you can pick any color that you want that they offer. We are working with a 22 by 28 inch canvas. It is a level 2 gallery wrapped, clean edge back, and what colors we are using today are, this is this little TLP Pigments Constellation. Love this color. I'm on a thing for that right now. That and algae, but I did not mix up any algae today. This is Rust-Oleum's Harbor Sky. It's metallic. I have 24K gold, the usual suspect. I have Artist Laugh Black here. I have Pebio's Iridescent Blue Green. I have Liquitex Basics Brilliant Yellow Green, and the white, Artist Laugh White. So I started putting some white and then gold, and then that is it for right now. We are going to come in, I think I'm going to follow that up with some Constellation. I'm layering up about 3 cups because this is a larger canvas. It's going to take a little extra paint. I want to make sure I have enough. I'll follow that with a little bit of gold as well. Come in with green. And there is no particular reason I'm layering it the way it is, but this is what we're doing. We're going to put this one over here. The next one, I think I'm going to come in and start with the Constellation. All right, so I have my 3 cups over here, and I'm going to move these out of the way. So I'll be right back so we can do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to coat my little shovel dustpan. What I haven't told you is that I've coated the canvas with a mix of the Harbor Sky and white. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it that way. I'm not concerned about the overspray, but I might change that after it dries. So we're going to just start by pouring . Okay. Well, I didn't plan that very well. So I'm going to come over here and move this cup over here. And we're going to start. dokie, so here we are. I am really excited about this piece to dry because these colors are really gonna be beautiful and metallic, and I love what's going on in here and over in here. It's definitely different, maybe kind of alien-like. I don't know, but I'm really looking forward to seeing this piece dry and see what comes out of it in the end. But all this gold, it's pretty. And we'll see how it dries. So, all right, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. This one will be continued, and we'll go from there. Bye for now. Here are the dried results, and it is now framed. And I love how this turned out. I'm gonna turn the lights on. There's gonna be a bit more reflection on the piece, but you should be able to see all of the shimmer. Okay, maybe not. But it is there. It is a beautiful piece. And size 22 by 28, I believe, in a beautiful floating frame. And that will be all for this evening or this afternoon. You guys have a great day. Thank you so much for joining me. Stay tuned for the next video that will be up next week. Bye for now.